Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, we will see how you can create your own free travel map. You can come to this website, it's called travellerspoint.com. With minimal effort, you will be able to create beautiful map of your travels to share with your friends and family. So you can visualize your trips, it's easy and fun. You can plan the upcoming trips and map the previous travels. You can draw custom routes between your trip stops. You can tell a story with your linked photos, notes, and blog entries. You can use it unlimited on the map. You can embed these trips on your blog. You can discover how much traveling you have done in your entire travel stats page. And you can save your map as a high resolution image. And you can also bookmark website to your trip plan. So I'll show you how you can do that. They have more than 1 million plus travelers. You can also sign up for free. And once you're signed up, then you can go here and create your first map. You can set up a blog. So if you have a blog, you can set up here. You can create your profile. So let's try to see what people have already done. So now you see here. Let's go into one of the map that people have created to first to see. Okay, so this is one thing that people have created about Nepal. So this is another map of photos that I can see here. So let's go and create from scratch. So I'll say your map. Okay, so now welcome to your trip map. Click the plus icon to create your first map. Okay, let's create the map. So what do you want to call it? I would say Europe trip. Okay, I'm saying add trip. Now I can add various stops. So my first stop is in Zurich, Switzerland. Okay, so this is Zurich, Switzerland. Arrival date was, or it is, and departure date is this. Okay, so it got mapped on the map. So if I click on it, I can see Zurich. Okay, now it has already pulled in the information for that city. Now, if I go here, I can see add a note, or I can edit stop details. If I want to book accommodation nearby, it will take me to that booking.com site from here. If I want to hire a car, it has that functionality to hire a car. So it will show me sightseeing and other things there in Zurich using this. Okay, so now let me go back here. This is my first stop. From here, I will go to Milan. So let me put that second stop. So this is in planner. This is my planner. At the end, I can even take print out of it. So let me go here and say Milan, Italy. Yeah. So here it's asking me the mode of travel. So I'll be going by bus. Then I'll be reaching on 27th. Okay, let's see. How does it map? Okay, so it has put that by bus. Now from Milan, I'll be going to Rome. We're going to Rome, Italy. Again by train. Okay, so I'll be reaching on 28th. Okay, so now if I look at it, this is the train route. If I want to change the things within that, I can do that. If I go to edit stop details, this is that information that has been put there. This is the accommodation nearby. Okay, so now let me go back. So this is my travel plan. This is how it looks like, travel plan for the Europe trip. So in total it will show you how much distance I've covered. Okay, so for my entire year it will show me total kilometers covered. how many days I have spent traveling. So countries that I have visited, how much I have traveled by bus, how much I have traveled by train, all those information and statistics will show up there. So if I want to change my map style, this is the default style. So something like satellite view. I think this is available only for supporters of it. So you might have to donate or upgrade, I guess. Yeah, that's the reason it's not showing up. But this free map is good enough to use most of the functionalities there. You can export your map as a PNG, and for that I think you need to be a supporter again. So now if you go back here, you can share your map on social media or as standalone. So now if we want to embed the map, you can do that. This show stats is also great. If I want to get stats about my trip, okay, so this entire map shows me where all things I'll be going. So if I just go and say the edit trip details, I can even change the color of it. So this will change this, as you can see. Now if I want to add a flight, okay, add a flight to Mumbai, right? So I will be flying to Mumbai. We are arriving on 29th. Okay, let me say safe stop. So it has put that from here to here, right? So now if I go into my planner, I can see the all details of my Europe trip. Okay, so this is the Zurich. I can search for accommodation. This is Milan. This is Italy. This is Mumbai. If I want to do what all things I want to do there, I can mark it here and add my notes. Shop Gucci bags. Okay, so if I wanted to make it private, I can make it. In Milan, I want to shop Gucci bags, so I put it there. If I want to do something else, I can put it here. It also shows you the weather there. So here it has a guide also. If you want to get that information, Rome guide, that is there. For some cities, I think they already have this guide that is available, where people have contributed about to see all those things there. Like that, it is useful. So this is the map view. Now, if I want to give my itinerary to someone, that is easy. Some people ask for itinerary, like travel companies, where all things you want to go, or if it is for visa also, you can give itinerary. So if I go here and say print view, I can get a itinerary of this. I have disabled ads and all here. That's the reason it's showing like this, I guess. Okay, otherwise you see a simple itinerary of my trip, Europe trip. Then I'm going by bus, then I'm going by train. Okay, it has generated an itinerary, simple itinerary. Now if I want that itinerary to be by page, stops per page, then I can do that. See, it will be in different pages, or I could consolidate everything in one page, right? So then if I want to collaborate with someone, I can invite them and we can plan together a trip using this, which is a great functionality because they can add their inputs, what they want to see. It will become very useful when you're traveling a group trip with someone or a few friends. Now if you go to, okay, so I'm not collaborating with anyone right now. So if you want to have preferences change, I can change this to Celsius, distance in kilometers. All my spending I want in USD, I can put that there, and I can say update this information there. Then I can upload my photos and I can add those onto the map. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.